Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. A Punjabi mutton masala is a dish that is packed with flavors and a quick and easy to make recipe. Let's see how to make this. Let's add 2 tablespoons of oil to a hot kadai and a tablespoon of ghee. I have 4 medium onions here which I have sliced, and once the oil and ghee is hot, I'm going to add this and I'm going to fry them nice and brown in color. The onions have browned really well. I have crushed 1 inch of ginger, 4 large cloves of garlic and 4 green chillies, which I'm going to add to the onions. And we're going to saute this till the raw smell of the ginger garlic is gone. I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to this because I don't want the ginger garlic and onion to burn. How beautiful the onions have caramelized here. Let's add a tablespoon of coriander seed powder, a tablespoon of cumin seed powder, a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Here I'm using Deggi Mirch powder. You can use any regular chili powder that you have. About a tablespoon of this. Let's quickly mix this. I'm adding again a tablespoon or 2 of water. I don't want the spices to burn. Let's add 3 medium tomatoes that I've finely chopped. And now we're going to cook this till the tomatoes are nice and soft and the oil slightly separates. If you feel that the masala is burning and the oil is taking a little longer to separate, you can add another 2 to 3 tablespoons of water so that your masala doesn't burn, and keep bhunowing the masala. The idea of bhunowing the masala is to basically get a beautiful color to your curry and for all the flavors to merge very well. As you can see, the oil has separated. Let's add half a kilo of mutton to this and sear it for at least 3 to 4 minutes on a high flame. It's time to add water. I'm going to add half a liter of water to this. Mix it well. Add the salt. Give it a final stir and cover and cook till the mutton is done. I'm going to keep the flame on a medium to low. And I think within 30 to 35 minutes, the mutton will be ready. I'd kept the meat to cook for almost 35 to 40 minutes. It also depends on the quality of meat that you get and how long it takes to cook. I'm just going to check if the meat is done here. I can see the meat is off the bone. It's cooked really well. Let's finish it off with the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to add 1 inch of ginger julienne, a teaspoon of garam masala powder, a teaspoon of kasuri methi powder. I'm going to drizzle a tablespoon of ghee on top of this to just give this a beautiful glaze. 3 green chillies that I have finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped coriander leaves, juice of half a lemon, mix this well. And our mutton masala is ready to be served. Let's remove it in a serving bowl. Just let me quickly garnish this with freshly chopped coriander leaves and a few chopped green chilies. Our Punjabi mutton masala is ready to be served. You can serve it with kulchas, naans, parathas, any bread of your choice. You saw how simple, quick, easy this recipe was. So do try it and let me know, and keep watching Get Curried.